Hey everyone, welcome back to Channel Name, your go-to place for smart money moves. Today, we're diving into a debate that every investor faces: real estate or stocks. With 2025 bringing new opportunities and challenges, let's break down where you should put your money. First up, let's talk about real estate. It's tangible, it's enduring, and it's been a wealth builder for centuries. In 2025, here are the top reasons why real estate might be your best bet. Steady cash flow. Rental properties can generate consistent monthly income. With rental demand increasing due to housing shortages, landlords are in a strong position. Inflation hedge real estate often outpaces inflation. As prices rise, so do property values and rents. Leverage opportunities. With mortgage rates stabilizing after a rocky few years, borrowing to buy properties is becoming more attractive. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Real estate requires high upfront costs, ongoing maintenance, and isn't as liquid as stocks. Now let's switch gears to stocks. They're dynamic, diverse, and easier to manage than real estate. Here's why stocks could shine in 2025. Accessibility. You can start with as little as $100. Platforms like Insert Trending Trading app make investing simple for everyone. Higher liquidity, need cash fast. Stocks can be sold in minutes. Growth potential. Historically, stocks have outperformed real estate in the long run. Tech and green energy sectors in particular are set to boom this year. But beware of market volatility and the emotional roller coaster that comes with it. Stocks require a disciplined, long-term mindset. Before you decide, let's look at what's unique about 2025. Real estate trends. Urban areas are seeing a resurgence as remote work balances out. Short-term rentals like Airbnb are thriving, but regulatory challenges loom. Stock market trends. AI and renewable energy companies are hot. Plus, with interest rates stabilizing, tech stocks are regaining momentum. Remember, timing matters. For instance, rising property taxes could impact real estate returns, while geopolitical events could shake up the stock market. So, which one is right for you? Here's a quick checklist. Choose real estate if you value stability, are okay with a hands-on approach, and have the capital to invest. Choose stocks if you prefer liquidity, diversification, and a more hands-off investment style. Or better yet, why not both? A balanced portfolio is often the smartest move. Energetic tone. At the end of the day, the best investment is the one that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. So, tell me in the comments, are you team real estate, team stocks, or team both? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a money tip that matters. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.